Good day viewers, welcome to EduMath Hub, and in today's video we'll be teaching some JAMB questions on circle geometry. So let's take the first one right here. We are told that C is the center of a circle shown below. So we have this circle right here and we have to find the angle XYZ. Angle XYZ. In circle geometry, angle are given in terms of 3 letters. So the letter in the middle is where the required angle is. So we have XYZ. So we're actually looking for the angle at this particular point here. This angle here, this is what I'm looking for. So when you say a question like this, the first thing that should come to your mind is you try to extend these points X and Z. You try to extend them to the circumference at the top here. So let's move this one like this, move this one up like this, and move this one down here like this. Let's call this part O. So there will be an angle at this point. Don't forget that angles are formed whenever two lines meet or intersect. So there's an angle at this point here. Now this angle is called the angle at the circumference because it's touching the surrounding of the circle, okay, the part of the circle. Then you also have C, which is called the angle at the center. So there's a theorem that says that the angle at the center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference. So we have two things here, the angle at the center, which is XCZ. This is the angle at the center. It is equals to 2 times the one on the circumference, which is XOZ. XOZ. Then from here, we can easily find XOZ. You can see that XOZ will be equals to XCZ divided by 2. And we already have our XCZ. XCZ is 102. So we have 102 divided by 2 degrees. So this will give you 51 degrees. So the angle at this point here, this particular point, is 51 degrees. So you already have this particular angle at circumference. Now the next thing to do is to apply another theorem, which says that if you have a circle quadrilateral, that's a four-sided figure whose vertices are touching the circumference, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The opposite angles will be supplementary. The law is saying that whenever you have a circle quadrilateral, like a four-sided figure, okay, inside a circle, the opposite angles, those are the angles facing each other here, these two angles here or these two angles here. If you add them together, you must get 180 degrees. So you can easily see that angle XOZ will be equals to 180 minus this one here. That means if you add these two, you must get 180. So you're going to have XOZ plus XYZ, that's this one and this one, must give you 180 degrees. But our required angle which you are looking for is XYZ. So you're going to have XYZ is equals to 180 degrees minus XOZ. Then from here, 180 degrees minus XOZ from this question is 51 degrees. So minus 51 degrees. So you can get the final answer XYZ. So when we do 180 minus 51, you're going to get 129 degrees. So you can see from this question that the value of XYZ is 129 degrees. Okay, you can see it's very simple. Very simple. So let's take the next question. Okay.